Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, the 20th day of April, and gosh, already, the weather this week feels like an early summertime pattern, and if we do not get to 90 degrees today and tomorrow, we will be awfully close. But now the focus shifts to this weekend strong frontal system on the way. It could have a line of strong to severe storms out ahead of it, and then a significant temperature change back behind the front. And I know a lot of you are watching this carefully because of the timing of it coming over the weekend. I think most of Saturday will be fine, but the questions come in Saturday evening and Saturday night. And I've heard from many of you. Some of you are going to a concert or two. Others are, I've heard of some evening weddings going on. So there's great interest in how this is all going to play out. And now the Storm Prediction Center has placed a big chunk of the state of Alabama in a severe weather risk for Saturday evening.
Look out in the Midwest. You see the cold front, which is the front we've been talking about, coming into the Kansas City area. There will be a severe weather threat out ahead of it today. So with the storm system lurking off to the northwest, we have a relatively routine day here with southerly winds and very warm temperatures. There'll be a few specks of rain on the radar here this afternoon. You can see that on future radar there. But I think the chances are small, and I've got the rain chances under 20% today. This is really like a June situation here with heat of the day showers coming up. Mostly sunny, warm today. I've got the high temperature teasing the 90 degree mark. I've got 89. Tonight's low of 62. Again, southerly winds will be light at 4 to 8 miles per hour. Now, here's 7 p.m. Saturday night, showing the front coming into northwest Alabama, probably a line of thunderstorms, maybe strong, possibly damaging wind gusts with the front as it moves into the states Saturday night. Here's 1 o'clock Saturday morning with the front sagging into central Alabama at that hour. Again, the severe weather threat will continue. And now the Storm Prediction Center has most of the state in a marginal risk of severe weather, all the way down to Montgomery and north of Mobile. A slight risk over in Mississippi where the tornado threat is a little bit higher. Here's 7 o'clock on Sunday morning. The stronger storms going into southeast Alabama at that hour, but still a few showers back behind the front, even during the day Sunday. It'll be breezy, much cooler, with temperatures struggling to reach the 70-degree mark. How much rain? Apparently not much, according to the models. Maybe 0.2 of an inch in Montgomery and down in South Alabama. Maybe 1/10 of an inch in spots. Heavier amounts farther north. So we'll be, again, teetering near 90 tomorrow. And the rain chances small during the daytime hours Saturday at 20%, but a better chance Saturday night in through Sunday. Sunday's high around 70, 52 Monday morning. What a change. And then into the low 80s on Tuesday. Here's the beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. Friday's okay, highs in the upper 70s. Most of Saturday's okay, 20% chance of storms. The storms come in Saturday night into Sunday morning. And this is the European. The blue bars at the bottom showing the showers and storms Saturday night into Sunday. Look at the big cool down behind that front. That is a significant front. And then you got low 50s for a couple of mornings there, probably on Monday morning, and it looks like Tuesday morning as well. This is the GFS showing low 50s and the big cool down in temperatures. In fact, will be even cooler than that. I think 70 will be the best we can do on Sunday. Our weather app is very important to have when these weather changes coming up. Hourly forecast and 10-day forecast, plus your push notifications for watches and warnings so we can get critical information to you during severe weather situations, perhaps like Saturday night coming up. So get it on your phone today. Search Rich Thomas Weather in the App Store.
Later this morning, the new drought monitor map will come out. I will tweet that map as soon as it arrives. And by the way, we'll have that for you on tomorrow morning's video as well. Also on tomorrow morning's video, we'll start looking at future radar snapshots with some model data about how this will all play out as far as timing on the thunderstorms Saturday evening and Saturday night and into Sunday as well. So join me tomorrow morning for that, and have a great day today, and check out my forecast anytime you want across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. Your next video online by tomorrow morning before 5, probably about 4:45. See you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.